Let's go. This is the long. I know, right? I know. Just high fived. Let's go. Telling you, like, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Oof. As soon as the news came out, this was posted in Discord, by the way. Right? As soon as the news came out, as soon as it came out, $8, $8, $9, anywhere between that. All the way down there. From $8 to $9 to $12, $13 almost. So I know, right, Gary? I know. Anyways, so we are approaching that little resistance. That pink line at the top is resistance. So we're getting pretty close to it, right? $13, and people are taking some profits. But if you're not a member yet, you're missing out again and again and again and again. So yeah, CGC's done well. If you're not sure why these stocks are pumping, just ask. But I think everybody knows. Can somebody pull up the? Yeah, I'll do that right now. Let me look at Tilray. Tilray is another one, right? So Tilray. I need to zoom out here. Tilray. Load, 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 load. There we go. One minute. Daily. Resistances. Yeah, so Tilray looks like it hit resistance. All the green wheat. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What a monster run, though. How many Tilray could you have bought for that price? I know, Michelle. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, look at the daily, though. The daily looks like head and shoulder, doesn't it? Like, if you look to the left-hand side for Tilray, like right there, what is that? 255? 255. Kind of. 255. Yeah, 255. And then we're failing at 254 today, right? So we're just kind of sitting around that level. And then, so a little bit of resistance at the top there. So the mess I just made on the daily is translating to a 1 minute time frame to right there. So we got really close until Ray. It's a pretty nice run. Yeah. It's not a thing with runner news. Not necessarily, right? I mean, we see stocks run all the time, and they have a catalyst, but then they still double top, right? They still fail at resistance. CGC is just crushing it. Like it's absolutely crushing it. Just on fire. On fire. On fire. On fire. Oof, my goodness. Is anybody gonna stop this thing? Oof. My goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. Can't stop, won't stop. When dipskis, no dipskis. Yeah, like it's not really moving the same. MSOS. This is the cannabis ETF. This thing is already at resistance and it's just stopped there. CD. Right. Look at the last hour. Look at the last hour. It's in stock at $11, 11.20. But then look at CGC. The last CGC has gone straight up the last hour. Yeah. So on fire, 57%. Tilray? No, Tilray is the monster, Michelle. Maybe something else. Maybe something else will come out tonight that is cheaper and has a lower float. I bet you something's gonna come out tonight. Maybe like YCBD and this and that. Some of these other lower float, a can, right? Like the one you posted as well, Michelle, like Leaf, stuff like that. Yes. Tilray, no. Tilray is clearly the favorite for now, followed by CGC, ACB and Tilray. These, yeah, Michelle, yeah. Like ACB is absolutely crushing it. These are like the two retail favorites. So everybody is clearly focused on like one of these two names. Yup. 870. Yeah, the only thing that's holding them back though, Michelle, is look at the float. The float is 763 million. 763, right? Even though it's cheaper, then look at CGC. The float for CGC, 64 million. The float for ACB, 15 million. Right? So these ones are way easier to move. Way easier. Damn. Yeah, $1.19, yeah. CGC is just not stopping. They will do an offering at those. If they do an offering, Michelle, they will all crash. One of these companies does an offering, they will all crash. Uh, all of them. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. 60%. This is why, honestly, like sometimes it's best to just go with the leader. You just go with the leader because that's like retail will gravitate towards a name like that. Also, like institutional monies will go towards the leader, right? If they want to like make money in the drug stonks, you know. So ACB is gone. ACB is going for what is that, 40%? So ACB is off 40%. Damn. Yup. Ask a Yeah, if you have a question, always ask in Stock General because sometimes you DM me and I won't see it or like I won't respond in time. CGC is not stopping, guys. That thing is just bumping, Michelle. Just absolutely crushing it. Just crushing it. Eventually, it's gonna fall like a tomato, but you know what I mean. Like, look at this, Michelle. Like 61%, 62%. CGC, Tilray is still like just retesting the highs now. Like it takes a lot. Yeah, in 2018. In 2018, yeah. And then they did all these offerings, Steve. Oh yeah, Tilray was a monster in 2018. That thing went to $300. $300. $300 Tilray. But it's not the same stock anymore. It's not the same. It's way heavier now. Uh, Buy high, sell low. Well, is that the expression with cannabis stocks? Buy high, sell low. Actually, buy high, sell high. That's the expression. Uh, Buy high, sell high. Uh, and then Amazon earnings come out after the close. So Amazon earnings. How to trade momentum stocks? Yep. Might not crash as fast with a bigger float. Exactly, Wes. Yeah, yeah. With Tilray, yeah, like you won't get as much gains out of Tilray, but you also won't lose as much, right? Like Tilray is just stuck. Like it's not going. It's just stuck there, right? So AMD, yeah. So tonight we have so AMD's SMCI, big, 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 right? Starbucks, Riots, Pinterest, Roots, Lemonade, right? So there's some few names, some big names reporting, big names. So the market will obviously react. No, no, because I said Amazon and then he said AMD too. AMD. So yes, AMD also reports. Was that not your question? I thought it was. Biggest move Terra has made in a long time. Yeah, 40%. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Please and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And all the other fun things. Again, if you're not a member yet in Discord, you're missing out. Clearly, by the time we came on stream, like CGC was up, what, 50% already? So the news was spammed all over Discords at $9, right? $8, $9, and it's still pumping. So if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Big time. IMTE is bouncing. IMTE. Oof, my goodness, guys. My goodness. Oh my goodness, CGC. Are you seeing that? Oof. Oh my goodness. Oh my days. Damn. Sheesh. There goes $14, guys. 14 $14. Oh my goodness. Damn. Look at that. 70% CGC. You know what's crazy, Michelle, is Tyria is still below the breakout level. Like it's still below 255. Like it's actually still below. ACB obviously because it's the second one on the list. ACB is gonna pump it. But CGC is cooking. 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 My goodness. Yeah, 1920. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe after the close. I was almost putting a timeout in the futures channel, Michelle, because I kept talking about CGC instead of futures. Consolidating. Yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe it's going to consolidate and then break out after hours. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Higher low? Yeah. A new higher low. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not what I want. Okay. That's what it did at 220. Yeah. 220, Gary? Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, the closer we get to elections, the more likely it is that these cannabis names always run. Somebody's always going to try and fight for votes by saying cannabis is of the, you know what I mean? So, yep, every time we get close to elections, cannabis becomes a thing. Well, not close to elections, but you know what I mean, like election cycle, right? Cannabis becomes a ting ting. Disconnect. Yup. Is the S&P still dropping? Yeah. The markets have been dropping all day today. What's Tesla at now? Tesla's at 183 still? Sheesh, Tesla. Come on, do better. Michelle, do better. Kidding. Not kidding. Do better. Yeah, if Tilray can find a way to break above 255, then you might actually get a push. For now, though, yeah, feel like this is not your stream. Why? Oh yeah, there goes Michelle. You posted Lively. There it goes. There it goes. Right, LFLY. So that's the type of stock that would pump, right? Just because it doesn't have that crazy float. Like the float is 1.6 million, right? And the chart actually does look like constructive. Like it's higher low breakout, higher low breakout, higher low breakout. So like it actually does look nice. Unlike a Tilray is just like, actually, you know what's crazy is Lively just had news, Michelle. They just had news. So yeah, when did you post? Yeah, Michelle posted Lively in Discord at 281, right? So 281, it's not a 281 anymore, is it? It's not. That was posted in Trade Ideas, by the way. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me zoom out really quickly on CGC because I don't think we've looked at anything past 13 or 1216. Yeah, 13 was our last level. And it's been a long time since we were at levels like these. And honestly, these levels don't really count because we've done a split, right? So CGC did a split December 23rd, December 21st, 2023, right? So then the stock went from $5 all the way to $2 and something. So technically, all of this is coming back from a split. So yes, we can say the 52-week highs is 1920, but that doesn't really count. It's basing that off a split. Um, so yeah, so technically we're sitting at like we're just tapping highs on highs on highs here. Tapping highs on highs on highs. Should we take a walk? No. La la la. Uh, Here we go. La 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 la. Anyways, yeah, no, we're dipping a little bit now, so I'm gonna need to pull up the calendar. La 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 la. Oh yeah, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, thank you. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, especially for Tesla virus. Tesla is getting entered -6%. Silliness, silliness, silliness. Anyways, back to drugs. The market goes down, cannabis goes up. People just move to drugs, you know. Good. At least we have something. There goes $14 retest again. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, no, yeah, they had patent news. Lively, of course you do. Of course you do, virus. Who in the chat doesn't like drugs? Raise your hand if you don't like drugs. Arrested accused of a $48 million. Wow, sheesh. $48 million. If you make $48 million, like honestly, why are you avoiding taxes? Is that what's happening? Like if you make that much monies, why you don't even need like half of that. Half, just go give them half, and be like, I only want half. That's it. Like half. I mean less than half. Okay, like break that in half too, and that's still enough. Like like, and then you end up in jail, arrested. Well, hopefully all they make him do is pay the taxes, I mean, honestly, break the half of the half of the half in half and then give that to me, and I'll still be happy. You know? Unbelievable. End up going to jail because you have $48 million, and you're like, you know what, let me find a way to, let me find a way to not pay. Unbelievable. Of Furin? Yeah, yeah. No, I think everybody is. Honestly, everybody is. I think taxing is is a scam. How do you pay taxes on the money you earn, and then the money that you have left, you pay taxes on it to go spend the monies, and then it just goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So yeah, I think everybody is not happy about it. But I'm just saying, like, if you make that amount of money though, like, what's the point? What's the point? It really is. It really is, virus. It really is. Really is. It really is. It really is. You know what? I'm gonna make $100, okay, and then I'm gonna give you $30. Cool, cool. But then now I need $10 for groceries. So now I'm gonna take that $10, and then I'm gonna give you $2 out of it, okay? And then, anyways, anyways, and then in some cities you have like two. You have the federal tax, and then you have the state tax, and then and then you have, oh my goodness. What virus? What did he tell you? Yep. On top of yeah. Yep. CGC is trying though. We're holding the chrono here. Michelle, what did you buy at Tilray ad? Do you have a really nice entry? You're up 30%, you said, right? That's nice. Yeah, easy to manage. Oh my goodness, virus. Choo, 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 choo. Uh, yeah. Let's see. Yup, yup, yup. A link? Ooh, okay. Let me get you a link. La la la. As long as you promise not to roast me. As long as you promise not to roast me. Handshake? For exactly B, exactly. That's why these cannabis names are going up, because that's a little bit of relief. Handshake, handshake. Michelle doesn't want to shake my hand. Unbelievable. I need promises, promises, promises. Mm-mm. As long as I'm free from, from roasting. Because last time Rob was on, I was abused. Last time you were on, I was abused. So I need promises. Anyways, let me see. Where's Michelle's DM? Do, do. Uh, uh, the okay. Yeah, looks like we're dipping a bit here. Ooh, okay, I need to fix that too, Rob. Fine? Yeah. Yes. Anyways, this is a retest of that $13 range. You know what I'm hoping for? I'm hoping that these things can sell off a bit and then consolidate and then pump after hours or tomorrow. That would be good. That would be good. Alrighty, yeah. So CGC is just a retest, right? Tilray just couldn't break out, right? It just could not break out. So what your next demand zone is closer to $2.34, and then below that you're looking for 230. So it's not a big, like it's not a massive range. ACB is similar to CGC, obviously. So watch 850 there next, and then it's 835. It's dumping, really. SMCI is dumping. Maybe it's dumping for a reason. Here comes $13 for CGC. Let me take a look. SMCI. So SMCI reports earnings today. Again, if you're not sure who reports, this is the calendar, by the way. So you can take a look at that. SMCI is dumping because the rest of the market is selling off. And like everything is selling off. So yeah, let's see what happens to when earnings do come out. Should you hold your short position? Honestly, if I were you, I would consider taking some profits off the table. I would consider taking some profits off the table. So yeah, there goes $13, right, for CGC. So that little pink line you see at the bottom. Wow. Guess who it is, guys? Hi. My goodness, Michelle. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. I don't know. You can you if you guys can hear her, let me know because I can't hear Michelle. She might be like muted. Yeah, no, it's not on my end, I don't think. You can? No virus. I don't believe you. Nope. Yeah. There we go. Justin says no. Wait. Allison? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. Virus, how can you hear Michelle when no one in the chat can? There goes the CGC bounce. I'm not sure, Michelle. Uh, maybe play with your microphone set. Okay, yeah, yeah. Virus is lying. Okay, yeah, she's maybe going to reconnect. So yeah, 13. That little pink line, right? It's basically a breakout and a retest of CGC for CGC, and then it's bouncing again. Pump, dip. the anyways, let's go. Allison, it's good to see you. My goodness, where have you been? Where have you been? You back for the cannabis talks? Yeah, Tesh, if you held this thing a little bit longer, you would have been nice and green. But that's fine though. At least you made £2. But yeah, MSOS is it doesn't really move as the other ones. That's also because it's been doing well and like it's done okay. If you really zoom out, this thing hasn't it's done okay. So, and it's at resistance. Monies, the S&P bouncing, meh. CGC bouncing, yeah, right. So $13 support for now, and then same resistance, 13.90 to $14. Yeah, there we go. Uh, Oh, there you go. I think you should be good now, Michelle.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, 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 yes,
All right.
yes. Yeah, usually when you come on stream, it makes a noise, and then I know your audio is working.
Well, I feel like you're not qualified for this position to talk about weed stocks. So I needed somebody to come in with a little bit more experience in the situation.
Okay, just because we're talking about drugs. Okay, sounds
We can
good.
call it drugs.
What do you
That.
call it? What are you gonna call it?
What do you call alcohol?
Alcohol is just alcohol. Like it's different. It's like a drink.
Weed is
Drugs,
weed.
they're all under the same group. You know, they're all
No, it's
drugs.
not. Like crack is not the same. Crack is whack.
But it's more fun to say drugs.
No.
So it's so much more
Okay.
fun.
So let's talk about CGC
Yes,
and ACB.
yes,
Okay. You're talking about a stock that just recently split, you said?
yes,
Okay. And right now it's leading the pack,
yes.
but as far as like from a more than a run, like a 1 day runners type, how much further is CGC going to go?
To the moon. $19. I promise you, Michelle. I promise you. CGC.
$19.
I
How much more down?
promise you. I can promise you one thing. CGC will outperform Tilray.
Over what time frame?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. All the time frames. No, I
Mm-hmm.
really do think so though. Just because like the float for Tilray is ridiculous. Like that float is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I like the other one better, like Live Lee and the other ones, because they
Leafly, yeah, that one I
yeah,
did like. That
yeah.
one's got a smaller float. But I'm just waiting for CGC or one of these to do another like offering. They're not going to let this run to $19 and not do an offering.
Yeah,
Be
I don't
real.
know. Yeah, maybe not. But I know though, like if one crash, they will all crash.
Mm-hmm.
It's like
Well,
it's like yeah,
crash. This one has more likely to crash than
yeah,
Tilray.
yeah. But I mean, at 70%, at the end of the day, maybe just you lock in your gains, the,
Mm-hmm. If you have it,
and then rotate to something else that you like.
mm-hmm.
Yep.
Like Mullen.
Anyways,
Mullen.
anything? Yeah,
Can you believe we were celebrating Mullen?
I know, right? I was happy for you.
So what do you think AMD is going to do?
I think AMD is gonna beat earnings.
Good.
Yeah. See, now if they pump, that's a different question. But I think they're gonna beat earnings.
Well, they took a nice little dip. So
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
hoping they have more room to run than Amazon.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They beat for sure, but in terms of like pumping, I don't know if they pump.
I don't know if they beat. I think that they have like good, like forward looking because the CHIPS Act.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yes, Wes, we need a super pump.
Super pump. Let me. SMCI is bouncing. Let me look at AMD. AMD looks weak. My goodness. Wow.
Mm-hmm. But
I just wanted to see their.
that's how
Ooh.
Daddy's stock looked before we went in.
Well, maybe. Uh, I just wanted to look at the last earnings report. Hmm. It's fairly like it's mixed.
Well, like I said, I think forward looking, they just got
Hmm.
the funds from the CHIPS Act that was
Okay.
doled out.
Yeah.
So I think it has more forward looking promise than
Yeah.
somebody say something about ARM.
Yeah. Forward looking.
When does that earnings or whatever?
Which one? SMCI?
No, ARM.
Oh, they reported already, or they don't report for a long time. But it follows like all the other AI names. So SMCI, it would just follow.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see. ARM
5.8.
58.
Thank you.
Okay.
At least somebody does their homework around here.
Why do I care about ARM? It's not even this week. Oh my
Because
goodness.
ARM was $60. Well, came out the gate at like $55,
Yes.
$60 a share.
Yes.
And from an investment standpoint, not
Yes.
a quick hit it and run.
Yes.
From more like the woman's point of view instead of the man's point of view, it's like, yeah, it makes sense.
Are we still talking about stocks?
Meh.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, ARM was on the valley though, especially at the time that they IPO'd with like NVIDIA.
NVIDIA is kind of nuts.
Yeah.
I keep thinking like there's the top, there's the top, there's the top. They're
Yeah.
gonna split.
Well, they better hurry up and split, otherwise they're going to crash the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, there should be like a max price. Once you get to this price, just do a split.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Because if SMCI drops tomorrow, the entire market is going to drop.
Also, like, do you remember? I don't know if it was like 1 or 2 earnings ago, we had this discussion about Apple versus Amazon and how you were saying that Apple is like a way better stock than Amazon could ever hope to be.
I don't remember this conversation.
I do.
Does anybody else remember this conversation?
I
Because I
do,
don't.
because at the time, Amazon was like right around $100.
I don't remember this conversation. You remember? Oh, come on,
Of
virus.
course, Virus remembers. It's my boy.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Amazon is a better. Well,
You were telling
Amazon.
me all about how, like, Apple is like a way bigger, stronger, better company than Amazon.
Well, Microsoft is better than both of those companies, though.
Oh, okay, Microsoft. Mm.
If Amazon misses tonight, I'm gonna roast you so bad.
Um,
I'm
it
gonna roast you
could.
so bad. Osh,
It
you better
could.
pray.
My money's in AMD right today.
AMD. Okay. Do you have
Mhm.
like you have calls or shares?
Shares.
Okay, that's
I
nice. Because
decided I'm not doing options anymore during earnings. I'm just going to buy shares.
yeah, that's probably
It's a lot
best.
easier to get rid of, a lot less risk, a lot less downside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. No, with shares, like even if AMD drops, it's gonna come back.
CB, give us the inside info.
Amazon. Business, and we're starting
See,
from.
like, here's the situation with your CGC. Like, look at what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
It dropped almost $1 in 10 minutes.
Yep. From
Yeah.
well, no, $14 though. Well, it's no, not almost a dollar. Like that's just $14, 14.20 resistance. 420, Michelle, 14.20. That's the top.
Oh,
Well,
that's the top. You just
for
called the
now,
top.
for now, for
It looks like
now,
a double top to me.
for now. Look at this. We're back to 14 already.
Mm-hmm.
Well, guess what though? Look at Tilray. Tilray is like
Uh-huh.
eh. But
Just
also
needs to
though,
beat
like
that box up.
but yeah, but like dollar for dollar though, like a dollar of would get you like the same amount. Like it's just percentage, right? It would be the same. Does that make sense?
No.
Like if you're using $100 to buy Tilray, would be the same amount. The same $100 would give you the same percentage return on CGC.
Yeah. Only you're
Yeah,
not gonna lose as the same amount investing in Tilray as you would on CGC.
maybe not, but
Maybe?
maybe
No,
not.
definitely not.
But yeah, like if you use the same amount though, like a 10 cent, 20 cent drop on CGC would be like a equivalent of like a 2 cent drop on Tilray.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I'm gonna sell puts 210 strike into June.
You're selling puts on.
Ooh.
Oh,
What? CB?
210 into
Better make,
June.
better make sure the ball's staying in here.
This is your Amazon insider. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's your Amazon insider
Mm-hmm.
selling puts.
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord, Amazon is about to crash. I hope not. I hope
They
not.
probably well, didn't they make a huge investment in those, like, or was that Hertz? Who
Uh,
bought a bunch of EVs?
I think that was Hertz, and then and then the EVs were a disaster or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That was
And they had to
Hertz.
get rid of them all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was Hertz.
Uh-huh. I thought Amazon did something similar.
Yeah, not sure. Not sure.
Okay. Well, we are in the power 5 minutes. CGC better break beyond this $14 or it's going to plummet after
Mhm.
hours. All the profit taking.
Swings, swings. Canopy cash position. So the company has 3 points of cash left. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Wes. Yeah. So that kind of validates Michelle's point of like CGC maybe not having a lot of cash. They have
Mm-hmm.
like three, 4 months of cash. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
anyways,
Yep.
anyways, so that's a lot of money though. 100 million to have 100 million and then burn like 86 million, like that's a lot of money to go through. What are they
Mm-hmm.
doing? Like smoking the money?
Well, I mean, everybody can kind of grow their own.
Yeah, that's true.
Edibles is where it's at.
That's true.
They only blew 87 million a quarter.
Yep.
Wow.
That's crazy. That's crazy. What did they do with the money though? Maybe I don't know. But then again, they're Canadian, so they probably give like 90% to taxes and then
Oh, is this why we're pumping the stonk?
well, Michelle, all these stocks are
Well,
Canadian. CGC is Canadian, Tilray is Canadian, ACB is
Tilray's
Canadian.
Canadian. I need to sell my shares.
They're all Canadian companies.
Are you sure?
Yep. Yep.
I don't believe you.
Yeah, they're all
Are they?
Canadian. All of
They
them.
have 1,600 employees. Let's see how many employees CGC has.
21. Actually, 420. There goes Tilray, guys. CGC. We're about to make new highs of the day. Oof. Oh yeah, that thing just made new. Well, not yet.
Oh,
How many?
1,600.
As well? Same?
1,621.
Oh
Maybe
yeah.
that's where all their money goes. It's to paying employees.
Yeah,
They need
maybe.
to lay some people off.
Oh my goodness. Really? Damn.
I'm saying we can't afford y'all.
I mean, they need to learn from Elon and all the other
Saying.
companies.
A lot of people need to learn from Elon. Okay, now we were discussing, or Mindy brought up a point, like if Tesla got rid of Elon,
Yeah.
right, then the stock would plummet.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Uh-huh.
And here's why. Because there are a lot of people who specifically target Tesla
Because.
because Elon is the owner and he's so controversial.
Mhm.
And so I feel like Tesla's in a good position. Tesla as a
Mhm.
an EV kind of stonk. Look at it go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Is it going to break out?
Hopefully.
Or
Not.
is it
Not.
going
Yeah. They better not fire him now though, because if they do, Tesla's gonna crash hard.
to, I don't know though.
Because I think like like Tesla is
But look
almost
at
like
all the
operating.
credits like Mullen gets
Yeah.
because Tesla or because Elon doesn't own it. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Ooh, there it goes. 1436 new highs. Guess where Tilray is at? Tilray is still not at new highs yet.
Ooh. Hmm.
It's creeping though.
Mm-hmm.
It's creeping,
Mm-hmm.
but not yet.
Looks like the same candle to me.
except
Except for
ACBs.
Tilray's at a discount
No, I don't
and
like.
not in danger of splitting.
You know what's crazy is like the stock market is the one place you don't want discounts. Unless you're investing. Like if you're investing,
What?
if you're investing, you want
You
discounts.
literally just consistently,
Yes.
consistently
Yes.
do this. You're like, I demand a discount. And then you're like, the
Yes.
stock market's not a place you want a discount.
You don't. You don't want a discount.
I
You
need
don't
my
want
son to come in here and do the Chad base for you.
you don't want a discount. You want a discount, guys? You want stocks to crash? Momentum stocks, Michelle?
Yeah.
No.
Hmm.
Tesla, yes. Discounts on Tesla made all my monies. Yeah, no, like discounts in investments, yes. Discounts in like momentum stocks, though.
Hmm. I
No,
still need to
so like what I was saying though is like how when we were listening to the conference call, Elon said like if I left the company today, like abducted by aliens, right? Tesla would like eventually get to self driving. Like if he said eventually, and he also said it would take them a long time to get there. So I think like eventually, like if the company can do the self driving on their own, like it's a thing, and then Elon leaves, that's different. But they're still working like on it.
He's
And
also kind
Elon,
of like pompous.
yeah, yeah. Elon had to go to China to get the biggest deal. Without Elon, who's gonna go to China?
Look, I'm a big fan of Daddy.
No.
So I'm just saying that I don't think that Tesla at this price is in danger,
Mm-hmm.
whether Elon's there or not, of
Mm-hmm.
becoming a Mullen stock.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying.
Yeah, yeah. But I still have to say, of course, virus. You know what? You know what? Don't forget to smash a like, guys. We have 9 minutes, and then it's Amazon time and AMD.
AMD, baby.
AMD.
Watch AMD fall to the floor. I'm going to be pissed.
Yeah. No, if it crashes, you should be fine though.
They should be what?
No, if it crashes, you're gonna be fine. It's gonna eventually bounce.
You know what really pisses me off is AGBA. I
AGBA.
promise you. Every time I get in that stock, it's becoming like, what is that coatings, that UV coating place? What's it called? AUVI for me.
Okay. Okay.
Every time I get in, it's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. Everybody has a stock like that.
so this right here, so my thoughts on SPY is that it's going to freaking pump.
Pop tonight, tomorrow.
Now after FOMC, they're dropping
Mhm.
it into FOMC.
Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, that might be a good thing. Drop it now and then. Pump.
Mm-hmm.
Drop now.
Because you look at all the data, like the the economy and stuff like that. It doesn't. It's not.
Oof.
Ooh,
What is happening?
ouchie! What is happening?
What the hell is that? Oh my
That
goodness.
hurts somebody's feelings.
That almost hurt my feelings.
Are you in a position?
Yeah. But like I
Virus,
have
are you
this
in a position?
virus.
That is a big candle.
Oh my goodness. It's gonna bounce, right? Sheesh. It's not even
Is
bouncing.
it?
It's not bouncing.
Okay, yeah, it is.
Yeah, of not sure where that line is coming from, but it's bouncing.
Jeez, a whiz. That's
Yep.
like do not pass. Oof.
Yep. Crash it. Yep.
Oof.
Calls for tomorrow.
AMD is gonna pump it.
I hope
Apple
so.
puts. So you're betting against Apple, huh?
Of course. Yeah. Raise rates a little bit. Yeah. It really has been. So
Okay. Tesla, just a car company right now, nothing more. No, it's not. It's also has EV infrastructure, all the charging stations. Like that's at this, I think that will surpass the car value.
yeah, easily.
Hmm. Batteries, blah 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 blah.
Easily. Yeah. Easily. I think Tesla's thing already almost surpasses their EV. So
Yeah, they have the Tesla roofs.
oof,
What did you do?
I did nothing.
Where's Joe?
I did nothing.
Joe did this.
He did. I blame Joe. Oh
Who I've
my
always
goodness.
wanted to be in one of these.
I know, right? Imagine, yeah.
Take it down.
Let me see if there's any news though. I don't see any news. I don't think it's any news. I think it's
These are
scamminess and
nasty candles.
yup.
Are they nasty candles? Or is it just you zoomed in?
No, the nasty candles. Look at
I don't
Terry
know.
Michelle. Ooh.
That's not Tilray, babe.
Oh, sorry. CGC. CGC. Oh, Joe is inside. See, it was Joe's fault.
I knew it.
50 next wall. $15 resistance, and Tilray better be above like resistance at least, like for Michelle's sake. Of course not. Actually, sorry. Of
That's
course
not
not.
Tilray.
This is Tilray. Can you believe this
Yes.
thing hasn't
It's
broken up
been in
yet?
a beautiful range. Zoom out. Zoom out. Come on. Zoom
Oh,
out.
it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want to show the people the truth.
Look at this. We broke $14 to 14.77. Which one would you rather own? ACB or Tilray?
Yeah, overnight.
Overnight, that's different.
Mhm.
Overnight, I agree that I would less risk. Futures. Are we still
Just.
dropping? Oh my days.
That's right.
Sheesh.
That's right, virus. I'm gonna buy virus a beer
Yep.
or something better.
New highs. MS. Yeah. The ETF. Z Cannabis ETF. You're taking $700. Nice, Joe. Oof.
So I have a question. Are you guys for the futures thing? Are you doing that thing where they'll give you a certain amount, a certain account, like a
Yeah.
margin,
Yeah.
and they'll pay you like
Yeah.
top step?
Yeah.
Is
Yes.
it does the other one do work like top step too?
Which one? Apex?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. They're all very similar. Yeah. So what you do is you have to buy an account, right? So
You
you
have to
either
buy
get a
it.
20, yeah, you have to buy it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're basically buying so you buy a 20 like a 25K account, a 50K account, a 100K account, a 150. So with each of these accounts, there's a profit goal. So if you get a 25, they're like, "Hey, we're going to give you 25K, but you have to get to like 26,500." And if you they're giving you a 25K account, like a test
But how
account.
much are you putting in?
You're putting in like a fee, like $30. That's it,
Oh, okay.
right? So but you're buying the account, right? So you buy
Mm-hmm.
the account, and then they're like, okay, if you get to 26.5, then you actually pass, and then you pay for the accounts. You pay an extra $100 to get the real funded account.
Mm-hmm.
So now anything you make above, like that's your money now.
So anything above 26 is your money.
Yeah, exactly.
And then when do they drop you? Oh man, I cannot believe SPY is still dropping.
Uh, it just keeps flushing. How
Are
much time do you
you are you at 100K?
have? Yeah, Joe's using the 100K.
No, Mark, I don't take no for an answer.
Virus. Virus says, and then you do it again. Oh, that's because people lose their accounts. Because so as much as so you need to get to 26.5, but
Mm-hmm.
then there's also the downside. If you go below 25 or like 24, whatever the number is, they take the account away from you. So then you have to go buy a brand new account.
I know, but I could do. But is it just futures?
Yeah, it's just futures.
No options.
No.
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah. I mean, futures is just like options anyways, right? They're just like contracts.
So, how many accounts have you had, please?
How many accounts?
Mm-hmm.
You
Come
like
on.
10 accounts? So I've had like 10 accounts. Oh my goodness. I I've had like 10 accounts, okay? Okay. Good. Good.
Good. See, I feel like the more we're just like honest with the people, they can feel
Yeah.
like you can relate to them.
Yeah. No, absolutely. Yeah. No, I think everybody, oh, the market just closed.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
market just closed.
Oh, SPY is ugly. 501. I have 501.95. Why do you have 502?
95. That's because your stuff is broken.
No, it's not. It's still dropping.
Maybe the accounting after hours on yours.
Oh no, it's the bottom of the candle. Sorry.
Ooh, CGC. Ooh, baby. Look at that, $15. I just wanted to come check Tilray, really quickly to see if it had broken out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just kidding.
I'm not worried.
Yep. What a run though. My goodness, that's
Mm-hmm.
impressive.
You don't learn. How many accounts have you had, Joe?
Oof, everybody goes through a few accounts, Michelle. It's a learning process.
Okay, then I definitely need to be a part of the squad.
Yeah, maybe get like a fake account and just paper trade.
How dare you? How dare
No.
you? How dare you?
Wait, you don't
Maybe
want
you should get a fake account and paper trade. How about that?
I mean, I feel like everybody should get a paper trade account.
That's what you tell people that you have no faith in. You should probably paper trade.
I mean, you're not wrong, but still, like, it's good practice.
You're so rude, dude.
I hit my $9,000 goal on paper trade. Yeah, see, that's
Sweet Justin. How many people cashed out money? Oh, yeah. How many have cashed out money?
anyways, Rob.
Yes, virus. You're getting like 3 beers now.
Anyway, oh my goodness, you see Spy?
Oof.
Look at that candle. Oh, that's because of Amazon. We're here chatting and we're
Thank
missing
you,
Amazon.
Virgo.
Yeah. The Amazon earnings are not out yet, I don't think.
Are
I don't
these
see
just
anything yet.
the first candles?
Yeah, exactly. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pull up Amazon and then I'm going to pull up AMD.
Yes.
There's a whole bunch. Actually, maybe I should pull up like SMCI too. But,
Nobody cares about that one.
anyways, okay, I'm going to leave it on Amazon for now, though. Amazon looks a little bit strong there. They are.
Hmm?
Virgo says they're out.
Lazy, you need to have a Discord membership before we honor your request.
Yep. Come on, lazy. Become a member. YouTube, Mark. YouTube.
There you
Uh,
go.
Amazon's. Let
Click
me
the
scroll to.
link so you can be.
Yep. Oh, you
Mm.
remember? Yeah, you know Binance, right, Michelle?
But you know
Binance,
what, though? I will tell you that I was driving when you sent the alert out about the
cannabis.
yes.
Yeah,
And while I was driving, I made a trade, and that's how
yeah.
I got a good price.
Let's
But I will
go.
say, like, without that alert, there would have been no way I would have caught it. And
Yeah,
nobody would have caught the CGC thing either. So
yeah. Let's go. Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work.
teamwork.
Yeah. Teamwork, dream work.
Wait,
Let
did
me.
Amazon come out with results?
Uh, I don't see it yet on my end.
Ooh,
Virgo
look
says
at that.
yes, but I don't see it. AMD is green, so you're happy for now.
For now.
For now, Amazon is off 5%, so that's not too bad. Yeah, I still don't see it on my end, Virgo.
It
It's out.
says,
Yeah, I
yeah.
don't. Yeah, yeah, I don't see it on my end yet.
Is it on Twitter
It usually shows up like on a news scanner or in Discord. It immediately shows up in Discord.
or on Twitter?
Yeah, Twitter is nice too. Twitter is a nice platform to use. Let me pull up Twitter. Uh,
EPS. Okay, so it beat expectations, revenue beat,
yeah, I
and
see it now.
has decent forward. So yes, they win.
Yeah,
Amazon won. Ha! In your face. Halt in your face.
it's not even halted. The day Amazon halts, I'm not gonna stream. Amazon is never gonna hold unless they split. That's it. Amazon, like, sheesh, 5%. Like, do better. Damn,
Mm-hmm.
like 5%. Even Tesla was up more than this.
Mm-hmm. And you were
AMD is
still crashing and still talking snack. Oh, did AMD come out?
AMD is moving like a snail. It's up 1% though. Look at that. Look at the SMCI. Oh my goodness, look at that. 830 all the way to what? To 930? That thing just moving $100 like it's nothing. Look at it.
Okay, maybe we do care about, but
Yeah.
who can afford those options?
Mhm. Virus.
Virus.
Ooh. At least this thing's up more than Amazon.
Okay.
Yep.
Um, nothing on AMD yet that I see.
Okay. AMD's lazy.
Yes. Riot had earnings today too.
Yeah. Riots. Oh wow. Look at SMCI. 930. What's the S&P doing? Probably well, not a whole lot actually.
It won't recover until AMD does something. It won't.
ACB is crashing. CGC is barely crashing. Barely.
Did you see? What'd you say? Go back to the other one. Go back to the other one.
ACB.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, if you took your profits at the end of the day, honestly, which you should, that's a pretty good exit. Like, you're selling at the highs of the day, at the end of the day. Yeah. AMD is pumping. Well, I say one pumping, but it's 1.3%.
Yeah, that's nothing. I need a pump.
Yep. Ooh,
I need daddy
9%.
to give it to me. Oof. There we go.
9%. Yep.
Let's go.
Yeah. Is Apple still tanking? Sheesh.
But that didn't have earnings though.
No,
That's just tanking because of SPY or
yeah,
SPY. Yeah.
yeah, one of the other names.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine. I'll pull up Apple right beside AMD because they're kind of the same company.
So I don't usually hold my devil's lettuce overnight, but as far as the stocks go, you want to stick with the save for bet, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, is that what cannabis is?
Yeah.
Um,
Back in the day, when all the Christians were on the pounding the table about, you know, sex, drugs, and rock and roll, it was called the devil's lettuce.
Oh, okay. Huh, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Very
Yeah.
interesting.
Need to leave room for the Holy Spirit. I'm gonna look up
Interesting.
Riot.
Interesting.
Chris don't do anything.
Oh, Champions League. Champions League.
Are you
My what? Looking at Champions League.
why? We
I
have
just
we
wanted to see.
have, we have important things to do. Oh, look at us. Look at that.
Isn't that crazy? Like, look, look.
Ouch.
It's just crazy.
Can you imagine? That's
Mhm.
like
Crazy.
6 minutes. That's a
9%.
good potty break.
Yep. Chelsea.
Chelsea? No. Mm-mm.
Chelsea's like Chelsea's like the AMC of the stock market.
No. I mean, Palmer's really good. We do
Yeah,
like
he is nice. I like Palmer.
Gusto can suck it. I
Can you
cannot
imagine
believe
Chelsea?
Isak ended up turning his season around. I'm
Yeah,
really pissed about Salah. I'm really pissed about Holland.
yeah,
Those were my boys.
yep, yep. Can you imagine like Palmer not being at Chelsea? Ooh, that team would be getting relegated.
They would. They
Yep.
would.
What a disaster.
he looks like such a baby too. He looks like
Yeah.
I birthed him.
Yep. He just glides down the field.
Hmm. You know who was a disappointment? Who I was actually hoping would like do really well was Joku. He is so fast.
Yeah.
He's like a freight train coming,
Yep. He
and I
does do
love
well
watching.
though.
Hmm?
He does well though, doesn't he?
Mm-mm.
Like,
He can't ever like he's too selfish.
yeah, that's true. But then again, that's the type of team he plays on though. You have to be selfish sometimes. Look at
Oof.
that. That thing
Oof.
is red. That thing is red.
Ow.
Eee.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
That thing was like
Sheesh.
$1,000 a second ago.
Sheesh. That's what Michelle sounds like. This little meme on the
Me
screen.
too.
Little meme. Look to the bottom. Oof.
Hmm. Looks like
Are you seeing
hell
the
down
minion?
there.
You see? Yeah, the minion. Yep. That's what.
What did you have? Pins. Wait a minute. Why are we activating helicopter mode? What happened?
Oh, because he's most likely holding puts and then it's crashing.
On
Oh
this one, I
wow.
wouldn't have guessed it. Oof.
Pins. Starbucks. Starbucks is another scam company.
Yeah. That's your oh my days.
Oh my days. AMD is dropping, but AMD is still green though. I feel like AMD is waiting for like they're hiding. AMD is that meme, when you're hiding behind the tree,
Mm-hmm.
you're seeing whatever else. Yep,
Oh
that's
yeah.
AMD. AMD is like, wait, what's happening?
Oh, I know.
Do we drop earnings?
I know. Well, they have to soon because their conference calls at 5.
Okay, yeah. So they should in the next like 15 minutes.
It should be. Oof. Maybe they had to make some adjustments. they had to throw in a few of those like gold mining stocks. We're gonna give you a nice little dippy.
They're like, hey guys, we're holding Bitcoin.
We're gonna
Hey, do you want a dividend? We give you a dividend.
right, right.
Oh my goodness.
What's happening? How come there's no earnings
Yep.
yet?
Yep.
I get to give it to Virus. Virus has been killing it, but of course he probably doesn't go on here and talk about his shit trade. Ooh.
Telling you, ever since virus stopped going to the woods, something happened. I told you the story, right? Yep.
Oh, he got diddied, right?
Yep,
And it turned his
exactly.
whole life around.
I'm
He's
not saying
eating now.
anything about it. Something happened in the woods and then he started crushing the markets.
I mean, you got to do what you got to do.
Yep. Anyways, speaking of the road gem for the day though, CGC is back to the highs.
It looks like
Yep. Yep.
1530. Wow,
I know, right? That's actually impressive. It's done
that's
well.
crazy.
Yeah, it's done really well. Done really, really well.
Holy crap! Come on,
Yep.
AMD.
Yep. Yep.
Well, the only good thing about AMD report is that everyone is expecting squat.
They reported already.
No,
Hmm.
everybody's waiting.
Sheesh, what are they waiting for?
Show me the money.
Yep. Is SMCI still crashing? No, actually, look at that, Michelle. SMCI went from red back to
Wonderful.
even. From 9% up to minus 6% back to zero.
That is like how you have like a full blown heart attack.
Yep.
Like you
This is how you
literally,
this is
yeah.
how you wake up tomorrow and your puts or your calls are at zero.
Heavenly Father.
I bought puts and calls and they're both at zero.
Right. But do you know how many times that happened to me? I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna freaking like squeeze, like what's it called?
Yep.
Strangle it. Yeah, I'm gonna
Yep.
strangle it."
Yep.
And they're both like, you still
Yep.
suck.
Yep.
I'm like, you know how many shares I could have bought for the money I had invested in these options?
Yep.
And I would have been at break even.
Yep. Yeah, exactly, Rob. You end up getting strangled.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, there's only a few stocks you can do that on, like Snapchat. Snap always goes crazy.
My favorite though was who was it? Virgo. Was it Netflix or was it Snapchat that you had? And it just like fell through the floor.
Hmm.
I think it was. I feel like it was Netflix, wasn't it?
Not sure.
She had a like YOLO. Like she didn't even come anywhere close to the price,
Hmm.
and she
Oh,
ended up
Michelle.
like killing it.
You want to know what's dropping like this? It
What?
starts with an A and it ends with a D. Starts with an A and ends with a D. I mean, that's not. It's $2.55. Everything is getting slapped.
Oh my God. So Spy is going to die.
So this is why, like, last week when Tesla reported, like I said, like Tesla reported at the perfect time, because the market really, like, the way the market behaves the day of earnings really matters. Like the market selling off today makes a huge difference, because obviously Amazon beat earnings. What's Amazon doing? Not a whole lot, is it? Amazon is like almost flat. So like
It is
market
flat.
conditions.
It's literally flat.
Yep. This is the strangle recipe.
Oh my God. Oh
Yep.
my God. Oh my God.
Yep.
Wait, but I don't even see like what is the earnings for AMD? Like this is some.
Uh,
Oh, they haven't even put them. Wait,
let's
they
see.
haven't even brought them out yet.
I see Amazon's, and but everybody else is slacking.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, way to go, Joe.
Money's Joe. Thank you, Dan. There you go.
It
So
beats.
yeah,
Pull it
yep.
back up. Pull it back up. I
But
need to see
yeah.
it go in the other direction.
Ooh.
Going on.
Oh my goodness. Sheesh.
What in the hell is going on? Why is it going that way?
Because they're not buying Bitcoin. These guys wanted they bought Bitcoin. Sheesh. It'd be pumping.
Oh my God.
Yeah. No, I think it's just everything is dumping. So it makes it hard for you to beat earnings and pump in when everything is crashing.
Well,
Unless
why
you
is
give
everything
out,
crashing?
I don't know, because FOMC tomorrow, Fed meeting, Fed meeting, and there's all this fear of like interest rates, blah blah blah, right? All the fear.
What?
So, yep.
I'm sweating.
Exactly, Dan. Yeah, the market's gonna be like this until
Can we
Powell
just
comes.
like flip the chart upside down? Because they cannot be frowning right now.
Sheesh. Now ACB's CGC is also dropping. Maybe this will make it.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Yep. Yeah. No. Hopefully, it stays above 150 though. Should be able to.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on.
152.
I need you to climb up like $6.
Yep.
Actually, I need you to climb up $10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Exactly. We'll go. Yet. Ooh. Green candle. Ooh.
I'm like seriously sweating. I need a fan.
Isn't this like a long term position? Is it a long term position for you?
No, what's in a long-term position?
It is or it's not?
No.
Oh, this was an earnings play?
Mhm. But I
Okay.
bought shares instead of options.
Okay, that's better though, because the most you lose is $10 per share, whereas
Mm-mm.
options you'd be at zero.
But it's supposed to go higher.
You know when
Not a
you
prayer,
know
okay?
when you listen to the analysts before earnings comes out, and they're like, yeah, 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 Tesla's gonna go to zero, and then you take your whole account and you short Tesla and it squeezes. And you're like,
Mhm.
what?
Well, I would never do that. I'm not that stupid.
There
Okay, here we go.
you go. Yeah, it's trying. It's only down $5. Yeah, there's always a chance, especially when the company doesn't miss. There's always a chance.
At least, at least get to $200. I need money. I need
You're
money for my
expecting two
trip.
hundred dollars from AMD tonight?
I need money for my trip.
Wait, you're expecting $200 from AMD?
I don't feel like that's too much to ask.
Well, maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Oh no. No. Virus,
Virus
no.
C.
No. But he's talking about Tesla.
Yeah, 175.
For Tesla?
Yep. Virus is a hater. Hater.
No, you're a hater.
I am a hater. I am a hater. What's Spy doing? Spy's dropping? Sheesh.
Oh my gosh.
Damn.
When 450?
450? No, please no. I would cry. Tesla would be
What
at
do
$2. If the S&P goes to 450,
Look, I
Tesla's
love
gonna.
you for this. You're like, no, if something happens to me, I'm cursing all. I'm taking you all down. I'm breaking out the voodoo dolls. I am going to curse you
Yep.
all.
Yep.
Did
If
you
the
call?
S&P goes to 450, we're all going. I'm gonna write a name tag, for the bridge. This corner's for Michelle. This corner's for Virus. Virgo, take a seat over here. Come on, Dan.
Yeah.
All of you to the
At least
bridge.
I got a corner. I'll
Yep.
take it.
Hmm.
Surprised you didn't push me in the river.
No. Anyways, what's Amazon doing? Yeah. CV said, "Come on, Amazon." And I go look at Amazon. Amazon is dead.
Well, he had puts. It's not moving. It's not moving even sitting in a supply zone. People are like, nah, I'm going to wait.
Oh my goodness. Yep. CB. Hopefully, you don't have a whole bunch of puts. Otherwise, you might as well start digging a hole today.
I know.
Those puts are gonna be dead. Yeah, no, the best way to, unless you're really just taking like a small gamble, the best way to play earnings if you're gonna do options is you almost have to go out like a few days before earnings and then take that gamble. Because like the
That
day of,
or the
mhm,
morning of.
yeah, yeah. Because I feel like
It's
like
just
the
the
closer we
same.
get to that, like the more like the IV crush is crazy.
Yeah, well, that's why I said if you do it the morning of and you
Yeah,
get what ODT,
yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah,
It's the same thing, only
yeah,
you're paying a lot less for it.
yeah. Like
And you kind of
like
have a cheat
one
code.
day. Yeah,
Hmm?
like the ones that expire like the next morning, like the next day, basically.
Yeah, or the same day.
But then you wouldn't play the earnings though.
Well, you are. You're just kind of got the
Yeah,
cheat
like you're
code.
selling. Okay, you're selling before. Okay.
No, 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 no. So if you're gonna do earnings before earnings, I always say
Mhm.
like sell your options and buy back after. Like, so if you're gonna do
Mm.
You know, if you're doing calls, sell a call before and then buy back the day of, hopefully. Or,
Yep.
well, I mean, you still have a lot of room to play with because they're so overpriced. So,
Mm. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. It's going up 3%. SMCI.
Dennis, no, so you would think the best day to buy would be yesterday, unless it's an earnings call. Then you're just they're designed for retail to make nothing.
Yep. Yep. Unless you get NVIDIA when like, was it NVIDIA?
Oh.
NVIDIA when they beat that earnings like a few
No,
quarters ago?
so this is my problem though, and I know this is your problem too.
Yes.
So you would have gotten into like a really great position far
Yeah.
out, right?
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
as soon as it was like up $100, you'd be
Mhm.
like, I'm gonna sell it, you know, because
Mhm.
like one little drop in that candle, you're like, I don't want to lose my money.
Yeah.
So you're gonna sell it too quick. You're never gonna ride it out.
Mhm. No, no. So I mean, like for Nvidia, remember like when Nvidia was it Nvidia or was it Meta? I think it was Meta. Like someone reported earnings and like it just did not stop. Like it just
No.
exploded.
What was the one where they gave earnings and it was like a fake out? And then it ended up not, the stock ended up not doing anything because all the volatility happened during that like fake earnings. It was Meta.
Was it Meta? I think it was
Yes.
that. Okay. Hmm.
Yes.
Meta. Meta.
Yeah. All right. Well, I need to go make tacos and I'm supposed to be planting a garden. So I'm going to
Oh
go.
yeah. Yeah. I have 2 minutes left and then I'm done.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Ayo Troy, CB. Yeah. Hopefully you don't have a whole bunch of calls or puts because it's a problem. It's a problem. Yeah, you might be drinking tonight, CB, if you're holding Amazon puts. But then Amazon is really not the type of company that like you play options on. Honestly, Amazon is not it. You know, Amazon doesn't really squeeze. So you're just playing with fire because you get nothing. Even if you're holding calls, you get nothing. Puts nothing. Like stocks like Meta and like all the other ones. At least they have a bit of potential. Amazon doesn't have anything. You got to stay ahead. Yeah, we'll return to normal after. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Exactly. You missed the whole chaos. You missed the whole chaos, Troy. Canadian cannabis stocks were on fire. All hail to Canada. Everybody say yay, Canada. Don't say that. But anyways, yup. Yeah, ES or ES got NSAT today. NSAT. Okay. Uh, sounds good. NSAT. Yup. Yeah, Amazon needs to announce something like a dividend, something, anything. Uh, I had a copy before my annual physical. Yeah, annual physical. So like, come on, show me the stuff. Then undress. Show me the stuff. Do. That is like, ooh, you want to see? It was the gummy speaking. I can do the helicopter. Yep. Pretty damn chill. 110 to 50. The helicopter. Anyways, Unbelievable. You guys are wild. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Okay. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Keep missing out. La, 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 la. Entered today by Don't Leave Me. How? You should be green, Mr. Chairman. CGC was hitting highs after hours. No one should be entered, you know? Spiritually? Okay, that's different. That's different. That's different. That's different. Dennis and what? And Thrust. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Um, yeah. Have a wonderful evening. Be safe. I was thrusting in the waiting room. And what? And thrust. Bye, Virgo. See you in Discords. See ya in Discords. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Be safe, guys. Enjoy the evening. We're gonna be in Discords if anything happens already. And yeah, much love. Bye all. Bye guys. Bye guys.